Hello, my dear nursing aspirants. I, Angeline P. Tirki, welcome you all in APT Online Nursing Classes Golden Question Series. And today, the series is taken from Cardiovascular System. This is the Part 1 series. All the questions which are included in this Golden Question MCQ session, it is very much important for the upcoming Nursing Officers exam, which is going to be held in year 2023. Question number 1 says breakdown product of hemoglobin is. Yes, the answer is bilirubin. If we will move on to the rationale, basically hemoglobin जो होता है that is broken down into the heme, and heme is nothing but it is an iron, globin and protein which is converted into the yellow substances जिसको हम bilirubin के नाम से जानते हैं, जो कि आपके extract होगा liver cell से from the blood and stored it in the गॉल ब्लैडर इन फॉर्म ऑफ बाइल. जो बिलिरुबिन होता है वो बेसिकली क्या होता है, एक येलो सब्सटेंस होते हैं जो कि आपके लिवर सेल से एक्सट्रैक्ट होंगे, जो आपका ब्लड में जो आपके लिवर सेल्स होते हैं वहां से ये एक्सट्रैक्ट होते हैं एंड फिर ये जो बिलिरुबिन है ये स्टोर्ड अप होता है हमारे गॉल ब्लैडर में इन फॉर्म ऑफ बाइल. सो द ब्रेकडाउन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हेमोग्लोबिन इज द आंसर इज बिलिरुबिन. Question number 2, presence of RBC in urine. Yes, the answer is hematuria. When the amount of RBC is present in the urine, when the RBC content जब urine में present होता है, the term is known as a hematuria. Question number 3 says sickle cell disease is characterized by. Yes, the sickle cell disease is characterized by. The answer is hemolytic anemia. बेसिकली जो सिकल सेल अनीमिया होता है दैट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ इनहेरिटेड डिसऑर्डर्स एंड इट इज नोन एज सिकल सेल डिजीज. इसमें क्या होता है, द सिकल सेल डिजीज में इट बेसिकली अफेक्ट्स द शेप ऑफ आरबीसी and RBC is as we all know that RBC carries the oxygen to all the parts of the body. So in sickle cell disease it basically affect the shape of RBC and basically जो symptoms होते हैं sickle cell disease के patients में, that will be your anemia, episodes of pain will be there, periodic episodes of extreme pain will be there, that can be called as a pain crisis, swelling of hands and feet, infection, frequent infections will be present in the patient, delayed growth or puberty will be seen, vision problem will be seen. So these are the symptoms of sickle cell anemia. So basically the sickle cell disease is characterized by hemolytic anemia. Question number 4 says hemophilia is. Yes, the answer is royal disease. Hemophilia is one of the royal disease and it was one of the quite common disease which was present in the royal families in the Europe. The disease was spread to them through the children of Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria के children के through ये disease जो था वो widespread हुआ यूरोप में. So this is known as a hemophilia is also known as a royal disease. Question number 5 says, which one engulf pathogens rapidly? Yes, which one engulf pathogens rapidly? So the answer is neutrophils. Yes, neutrophils is one of the most abundant type of white blood cells and it forms an integral part in your immune system. Basically, phagocytes are normally which are found in your bloodstream and during the acute phase of inflammation, the result of the bacterial infection, neutrophils leaves the vasculature and migrate towards the site of inflammation. In this process, it is known as a chemotaxis. Okay, so basically, these neutrophils are very rapid in their work, so they engulf the pathogens quickly. So the answer is neutrophils. Question number 6 says tricuspid valve is found between. Yes, tricuspid valve किसके बीच में present होता है? The answer is right auricle and left ventricle. Yes, right auricle and left ventricle के बीच में tricuspid valve is basically found. Right auricle जो होते हैं ये open होते हैं right ventricle में through a wide passage which is known as auriculoventricular passage और AV aperture. एंड ये जो एपरेचर है एवी एपरेचर ये गार्डेड होता है वन वे वल्व के थ्रू विच इज नोन एज अ ट्राइकस्पिड वल्व. बेसिकली दिस वल्व कंटेन्स ऑफ 3 membranous flap which is attached to the margin of the right auriculoventricular aperture and this और राइट ऑरिकल एंड लेफ्ट ऑरिकल के बीच में ही क्या होता है, देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व. Question number 7 says arteries carry oxygenated blood except. Yes, arteries carry. कौन सी arteries है जो oxygenated blood carry करती है except. So the answer is pulmonary artery. Yes, the pulmonary arteries carries the blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. ये क्या कर रही है, पल्मनरी आर्टरीज जो है ये राइट वेंट्रिकल से लंग्स तक ब्लड को कैरी करती है फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजनेशन. सो इट कैरीज अ डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. जो और बाकी जितने भी आर्टरीज हैं लाइक कार्डियक आर्टरी, हिपैटिक आर्टरी या सिस्टमिक आर्टरीज, दे ऑल कैरी ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. सो द आंसर इज पल्मनरी आर्टरी. Number 8 says splenic artery arises from. Yes, splenic artery arises from. The answer is celiac artery. Yes, splenic artery is the blood vessels that supplies the oxygenated blood to the spleen. And so splenic artery ये arise होता है celiac artery से. Question number 10 says carbonic anhydrous occur. Yes, carbonic anhydrous कहाँ occur होता है? So it occurs in RBC. Basically, during the transport of carbon dioxide in the blood, about 70% of carbon dioxide is released by respiring tissue cells and is transported as a bicarbonated iron. So it diffuses into the plasma and then into the RBC. So the carbonic anhydrous जो होता है it occurs in the RBC. Question number 12. Cells formed in bone marrow include. Yes, जो cells bone marrow में बनते हैं वो क्या include करते हैं? So the answer is RBC and leukocyte. Yes, RBC and leukocytes are included in the cells which are formed in bone marrow. Basically, in the embryo and in the fetal stage of vertebra, RBC and leukocytes are formed in bone marrow, lymph nodes, yolk sac, liver, spleen and thymus में. But when the birth has taken place, when the birth of the child has taken place, they are formed in the red bone marrow. केवल रेड बोन मैरो में ही वो क्या होंगे, फॉर्म्ड होंगे. सो द आंसर इज सेल्स फॉर्म्ड इन बोन मैरो इंक्लूड आरबीसी एंड ल्यूकोसाइट्स. Question number 13 says blood capillaries are made of. Yes, blood capillaries are made of. The answer is endothelium and muscle fibers. Yes, endothelium and muscle fibers से blood capillaries जो होते हैं वो बने होते हैं. Question number 14 says the pace setter in the heart is called. Yes, the pace setter in the heart is called. Answer is atrioventricular node. Yes, AVN. Atrioventricular node जो है इसे pace setter in the heart it is called. Now, question number 15 says the heart sound dup is produced when? Yes, the heart sound dup is produced. The answer is semilunar valves at the base of the aorta get closed. Yes, when the semilunar valves जो आपके aorta के base में होते हैं, when it get closed, so the heart sound produces dup. Okay, dup sound क्या करता है? Heart produce करता है. Question number 16. Impulse of heartbeat originates from. Yes, impulse of heartbeat originates from SA node. Yes, the answer is SA nodes. Now, question number 17 says rate of heartbeat is determined by. Yes, rate of heartbeat is determined by. The answer is SA nodes. So, the SA nodes basically determine the rate of heartbeat. Now, question number 18 says, in the ABO system of blood group, yes, if both antigens are present but no antibody, the blood group of individuals would be. Yes. Again, I will repeat. In the ABO system of blood group, if both the antigens are present but no antibodies, the blood group of the individual would be. Yes, antibodies अगर किसी भी blood group में present नहीं है तो वो कौन सा blood group होगा? Only antigens are present. So the answer is AB. Yes, AB में क्या होता है? There is no presence of antibodies. Now, question number 19. AIDS is caused by HIV that principally infects. Yes, AIDS is caused by HIV, as we all know, human immunodeficiency virus. It basically infects. The answer is T4 lymphocyte. Yes, T4 lymphocytes get infected by the AIDS which is caused by HIV. Question number 20. Which one of the following has an open circulatory system? Yes. Which one of the following has an open circulatory system? The answer is octopus. Yes, octopus has an open circulatory system. Do like, share and subscribe our EPT online nursing classes for much more videos. Thank you.